So you want to try Grok 3 without a subscription. Can we actually do that? Yes, and I'm here to teach you how. So to take Grok 3 for a spin, you simply need to sign into X and select the entry for Grok on the left. Write and submit your request at the prompt. Grok consults a variety of websites and user posts to deliver its response. So that's one way. Now, there are other ways to do this. You can also visit XAI, their official website for Grok, create an account, and then try Grok 3. And if you don't want to do it on your desktop computer, on your laptop, you can download their mobile app, Grok 3, on the App Store or the Play Store if it's available in your country. Then simply fire away with your prompts. And that's how you try Grok 3 without paying for anything. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe because we will be uploading a lot of more videos like this that would absolutely help you in your day-to-day activities. This is your boy Josh. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.